Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the ignition coil in your hedge trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. To reduce the chance of injury, we recommend keeping the blade cover on for this procedure. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the screws to release the upper half of the engine housing. Depress the retaining tab to disconnect the ignition coil wire. Make sure the flywheel magnets are rotated out of the way. Then unthread the mounting screws, securing the ignition coil. Remove the old coil. Prepare the new ignition coil for installation by transferring the boot, the terminal, and the insulator from the old coil to the new one, or install new parts. You can apply a small amount of liquid dish soap to the boot to make it easier to pull it off of the terminal wire. Now slide the insulator onto the new ignition coil wire. Attach the terminal by using pliers to help insert the hook into the wire. Slide the boot onto the terminal. Now align the new ignition coil on the engine and thread the mounting screws loosely. Place a business card between the coil and flywheel. Rotate the flywheel so the magnets align with the coil. Then tighten the screws. This will align the new coil the correct distance from the flywheel. Connect the ignition coil wire. Reposition the upper half of the engine housing and replace the screws to secure. The screws with the larger threads go in the bottom. With the repair completed, attach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your hedge trimmer should be ready for use.